Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily hide your following list on Instagram. So let's head over to the Instagram app. So apparently, the only way you can hide your following list on your Instagram is to make your account private. And to do that, just click this icon, scroll down for a little bit, and click on Account Privacy. From here, just turn on Private Account. Switch to private. You can also review your followers. You can follow back some people you trust to see your following list. So as you can see, no matter how much we click, we now can't see the following list for this account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily hide your following list on Instagram. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!